Only tool needed for this install is a T15 Torx. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're doing a taillight install video on a 2014 to 18 GMC Sierra. So first, let's open up the tailgate. Remove two T15 screws holding the taillight. After removing your two screws, carefully unseat your taillight. Next, unplug all four bulb sockets. Your side marker by turning it counterclockwise. Your parking, brake, and turn signal, the bottom and the top one. And your reverse light bulb socket. After that, we're going to disconnect our parking, brake, and turn signal bulb, the top and the bottom one. And we're also going to remove the side marker bulb. And before we bring our new taillight over, you want to check your rubber gasket seal to make sure that they're all intact to prevent any moisture from coming in the taillight. Go ahead and bring over your new taillight. Go ahead and grab your side marker connector and your side marker socket. Go ahead and plug it in to the bulb socket. Make sure the negative wire matches up with the negative wire. Okay. Now these two are your parking, brake, and turn signal connectors. Go ahead and plug them both in the bulb socket. Make sure the negative wire matches up with the negative wires. Now first, we're going to plug in the reverse light bulb socket into the taillight assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Next, you're going to plug in these two, the parking, turn signal, and brake. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. And last, go ahead and plug in that side marker socket. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Next, we're going to seat the taillight. Go ahead and drop these two guide pins into the hole. Carefully push it in place. Now we're ready to reinstall our two T15 screws. After installing your passenger side taillight, let's repeat the same process to the opposite side. Now that we're finished installing our taillights, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.